Our topic for today is about elements and compounds. At the end of this video, you will be able to differentiate between elements and compounds. Everything around us, whether it's a gas, a liquid, or a solid, is made up of matter. When matter is observed closely, it seems to be made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms combine to form molecules that make up different kinds of substances around us. The molecules that make up matter can be classified as elements or compounds. Scientists till now discovered 118 kinds of elements in nature. They are grouped in a table called the periodic table, and we will talk about it later on in details. To understand how elements are different from compounds, we will use some colored balls. Each ball represents one kind of an atom. Consider the yellow ball as the oxygen atom, the red ball as hydrogen atom, and the blue ball as the carbon atom. Let's try to make an oxygen molecule using these atoms, knowing that one oxygen molecule is made up of two oxygen atoms. So I'm gonna use two yellow balls here in order to construct the oxygen molecule. Let's try to make water molecule using these atoms, knowing that one water molecule is made up of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. So I'm gonna use one yellow ball with two red balls in order to construct the water molecule. Now let's try to make hydrogen molecule using these atoms, knowing that one hydrogen molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms. So here we have two red balls connected to each other in order to construct the hydrogen molecule. And finally, let's try to make carbon dioxide molecule using these atoms, knowing that one carbon dioxide molecule is made up of two oxygen atoms and one carbon atom. So here we will use two yellow balls with one blue ball in order to construct the carbon dioxide molecule. Do you notice that the molecules of oxygen and hydrogen are made up of only one type of atoms? For oxygen molecule, it is made up of only two oxygen atoms, while for hydrogen molecule, it is made up only of two hydrogen atoms. Well, all such molecules that are made up of only one kind of atoms are called elements. Now, what about molecules like water and carbon dioxide? All such molecules that are made up of more than one type of atoms are called compounds. So when oxygen molecule combine with two hydrogen molecules, they will form two water molecules. So we can say that elements combine together to give compounds. Does the compound have the same properties as the elements that make up this compound? For sodium, for example, it is a highly reactive metal. For chlorine, it is a poisonous gas, it's a yellow gas. When they combine together, they will form sodium chloride, which is the table salt. So we can deduce here that the properties of a compound, like sodium chloride, are different from the properties of the elements that make this compound, like sodium and chlorine. So in general, we can say that matter exists in two different forms: pure substances and mixtures. Mixtures can be homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixtures. We already discussed this topic in a previous video, which belongs to grade 7 playlist. Now for the pure substances, they can be elements or compounds. Thanks for watching. See you next time.